Hi, my name is Dr. Sunil Sharma. I'm the Director for New Life Surgical Associates, Jacksonville, Florida. In this video, I'll try to explain what is BHRT or Biological Hormone Replacement Therapy. Just a little background. Hormones are very important for functioning of all the organ systems. As you age, many of these hormones may decline. For example, your ovaries in women and testicles in man produces hormone estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, along with the other hormones like adrenal. The level of these hormones are at peak when you are age 16 or 17, and that's why you feel youthful, young, energetic, great metabolism, don't gain any weight. However, as you age, every year you will decline 2 to 5% of hormones. So when you reach mid-40s, almost half of your hormones are gone and you start developing symptoms. In women, we call premenopause, menopause, postmenopause, and in men, we call it andropause. Now, some people may get these symptoms a little early and some may have it later. The symptoms are so slow that you attribute these symptoms for everyday stress in your body or some other environmental things. The symptoms are usually for testosterone deficiencies are feeling weak, tired, fatigue, not able to get deep sleep in the night. When you wake up in the morning, you're still tired. You don't have that strength in the muscle, what you used to have one time. You get vague pains in muscles, bones, and joints everywhere. You just don't feel right. You become a little forgetful. All these symptoms are so vague that you don't recognize them easily, but they are progressive. Another thing you will notice, your metabolism slows down. So you slowly are gaining weight in spite of doing best whatever you can do in terms of eating or exercise, and very hard to lose weight. Women's, if they develop estrogen deficiency, they may develop night sweat, hot flashes, mood irritability. So, if you are suffering from any of these symptoms and tired of your lifestyle, then the first thing you should do is check the level of your hormones: thyroid, adrenal, estrogen, testosterone. Not just one hormone, active, inactive, total, protein bound, receptor insensitivity. With this detailed analysis, if you have significant symptoms and they are getting worse, and you have very low level of the hormone, then it makes sense to balance your hormone. Today there is a technology in which we can produce, a compounding pharmacy can produce biological hormone. Biological meaning they have the exact formula, natural, which is produced by the ovaries or testicles. So they are exactly the same. Today we can calculate the deficit, meaning if we know what your level is today and what your level we can predict was at age 17 based on your age and BMI, then we can calculate the deficit and we can customize the dose of this natural hormone. And then we can put this as a small implant under your skin, which is naturally absorbed based on your activity. And this in man may last for 6 months. It's a 2-minute procedure done in the office, no downtime, even doesn't require an incision to close or any stitch. You can go back to work. And once the hormone starts releasing in your body, you feel the difference, the energy, the muscle mass, change in metabolism, and has many other advantages. For example, osteoporosis, we see 9% increase in bone density with these hormone replacement, particularly testosterone. It prevents coronary artery disease. It really change your lifestyle. So if you need any further information for biological hormone replacement, please call my office 904-399-4004. Visit our website, make an appointment, and I'll be very happy to discuss this and help you. Thank you.